Realme 6 Pro is the first Realme smartphone powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, an 8nm processor that is both powerful and energy efficient. Designed with mobile gamers in mind, it comes with a 6.6-inch 90Hz ultra-smooth display with 90Hz refresh rate and 120Hz sampling rate for an enhanced visual experience. Realme 6 Pro boasts the A64MP main camera, a 12MP 20x hybrid zoom telephoto lens, an 8MP 119° ultra-wide angle, and a macro lens. Take impressive night shots with Nightscape 3.0. It also has a 16MP Sony wide-angle main camera with IMX 471 8MP 105° super wide-angle camera. With newly upgraded 30W flash charge, Realme 6 Pro's 4300 mAh battery can be fully charged within 60 minutes. Even with heavy usage such as high-performance mobile gaming, the 30W flash charge can charge up to 62% in just 60 minutes. Realme UI based on Android 10, is well built for an enhanced and closer to stock Android experience for its users. It comes equipped with unique features which include dock vault, Sloop, super linear speakers, dual frequency GPS and NFC.